Jasper did it again. The team is bringing us a new, very interesting template, and I want to show you how it works. If you have Jasper, you can go inside your dashboard and you will find this new template in the templates section here. It's called Mini VSL or Mini Video Sales Letter. I will show you in a few seconds how it works, but first please click on the like button. You will help me to grow my channel. This is very important, and if you want, subscribe to my channel. If you don't know Jasper AI, if you don't have Jasper AI, if you never tried Jasper AI, you can find a link here below my video. It's an affiliate link. You will reach this page and you will have the chance to try Jasper AI with 10,000 words for free. Yes, you need to insert your credit card when you try Jasper for 5 days, but you will not be charged until you decide to subscribe eventually to this app. So don't worry, claim your 10,000 words for free by clicking my link here below, and thank you if you will use my link. Okay, so let's see how this new template works. I click here on Mini VSL, and as you can see here, write a captivating 60-90 second script for a video that generates interest for your offer, created by expert copywriter and inventor of the VSL, John Benson. This is very useful if you, for example, have a product to sell or a service and you want to create exactly a short kind of video. This is not one of those very long sales letters, but maybe you can generate more than one time with this template and make your video even longer. But let's suppose you want to create, for example, a video ad. You can show it on Facebook ads, for example, on your Facebook page or on YouTube. You can create a very convincing and persuasive video sales letter of about 60-90 seconds using this new template. It's the first time I try to use it because in this case I don't have a product to sell, so maybe it's not in my use case, but it can be in yours. Okay, just give me 1 minute and I will fill all these fields inside this template. As you can see, you need to insert your name, your company name, who is your ideal buyer audience, the list of key benefits, and so on. Here you have some placeholders in order to learn how you can fill these fields. Okay, perfect. I just filled this data. I completely made up something, so none of these data are real. It's not a real business, but it's just an example. Your name, Chris, company name, let's pretend to be Genius Finance. Who is your ideal buyer audience? Investors and trading lovers that want to become more profitable. List your key benefits and features, for example, live lessons and experienced trading coaches. What current pain or negative circumstances is your customer facing now? Not being profitable, lack of good methods, fear and greed. What's a true negative or scary fact? 95% of wannabe traders lose money while trading. What's the big idea in 2-3 words? What hook makes your product different? Here I forgot to fill it. Here it is, personally guided to profitability and success. Number of customers for social proof, let's say 10,000. What is your niche? A more narrow focus on your audience. Finance, passionates of all ages. What are customers' initial goal? Stop losing money and be confident in a trading method. What are customers' ultimate goal that results from the initial goal? Make trading their main source of income. How is your product delivered? Online courses, online live classes. What is your product name? Let's say Genius Trading Academy. What is your product's price? 199 monthly, and tone of voice excited. Okay, let's try now to generate one output and let's see how this new mini VSL template works inside Jasper. Okay, it took more or less 20 seconds to generate this output. Let's read it together. Hey there, my name is Chris and I'm the founder of Genius Finance. Do you love trading? Are you passionate about finance? Do you want to become more profitable? If you answered yes to any of those questions, then this is the video for you. You see, I created Genius Finance because I was tired of seeing wannabe traders lose money while trading. In fact, did you know that 95% of people who try to trade fail? That's a terrible statistic. But here's the good news. I developed a unique mechanism that personally guides our students to profitability and success. In other words, if you're struggling to be profitable or lack confidence in your trading methods, Genius Trading Academy can help you turn things around. We offer live sessions and experienced trading coaches that will help you achieve your ultimate goal, making trading your main source of income. And the best part is, of course, is only 199 monthly. That's an incredible value for everything that you'll get. So, if you're ready to stop losing money and become a profitable trader, click the link below to sign up for Genius Trading Academy. We'll see you on the inside. Well, not bad, not bad. Imagine this script with a well-done video. It's quite good, it's very convincing, but let's try to generate another one. I don't think it will be too much different, but anyway, let's try. As you can see, it's very good if you want to generate a short video script. Here it is, a new one. Hi, it's Chris from Genius Finance. Do you want to become a more profitable investor? If so, then this video is for you. I'm excited to introduce you to the Genius Trading Academy. Our academy offers live lessons and experienced trading coaches that will guide you to profitability and success. Most investors lose money while trading. In fact, 95% of wannabe traders lose money. But with our academy, you will have the tools and guidance you need to stop losing money and be confident in your trading method. Our academy is perfect for finance passionates of all ages. We have helped over 10,000 students achieve their goal of making trading their main source of income. So if you're ready to become a more profitable investor, click the Learn More button below to sign up for our academy. Don't miss out on this opportunity to achieve your financial goals. Not bad, even in this case. As you can see, it's using quite well the data I filled in these fields. You can build your VSL, mini VSL script in the way you want, just by changing these datas, and as you can see, you will have one or more ideas for a very good VSL script. And this is another good template inside Jasper, very well done. Another good reason to subscribe to Jasper AI, the most famous AI copywriting tool, or at least to try it. So if you like this template or the AI copywriting idea, well, click on the link you find here below my video. You will have 5 days to try Jasper for free with 10,000 words, and with 10,000 words you can generate a very good number of these scripts, for example. And you can even generate more than one and mix and match, so you can even make it longer. For example, if you fill more than one time with different data, you can sum up and maybe generate a even longer kind of VSL. Again, click on the link here below. Thank you if you will do it, because you will help me to grow my channel. There's no risk. You can try it. If you like it, you can subscribe. If you don't like it, there's no problem. But I highly suggest you to try Jasper AI. Okay, I think that's all for this quick update video about Jasper. Thank you for watching. Please click on the like button here below this video, subscribe to my channel, click on the bell so you will receive notifications when I will release new videos. And see you soon in another one.